Hello and welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? Hope you all are having a fantastic week. Well, it's time to plan again, and I gotta get my calendar ready so I can get everything done this week. So we're planning for the week of September 19th through the 25th. So let's get started. You know what? I was outside today and I had to go out to run a couple of errands. And you know what? It's fall, y'all. It's nice and fally and beautiful and pretty and everything. The air was just crisp enough. It was just wonderful out. So I was feeling a little fall. So I got my leaves out here. You can see them all spread out over my desk here because I'm feeling fall. And I said to myself once I got out there, I go, whoo, it's a little bit chilly out here. A little chilly. I was feeling a little bit of a chill. So I said, oh my goodness, it's feeling a little bit of chill. So I'm going to have me a little bit of a fall spread this week. You know, fall is one of those times of year where, you know how in the summertime you have your summer and you so wish that it didn't get so hot out so you can hang out. But fall is that time that I finally get to be outside, sit on my deck, drink my morning coffee, and just kind of enjoy it. That's what I look forward to. Oh my God, I love that time when you can do that. And I just love having those few moments to just sit out there and enjoy it. And the other part that I really like, I'm opening these Dollar Tree leaves. I think they're so pretty. And I'm gonna put some of them on here for this week because it's fall, y'all. So I want some of the fall leaves about in my spread. I think I'm gonna take they're popped up. So I don't think I want them as popped as they are. So I wanted, for a couple of them, I want to take the pop part off and kind of make it a little bit flatter. They're a little bit dimensional anyway, but that one was a little bit too popped up for my corner. So I kind of want to take it down a little bit and put it like that. And I remember when I was a kid and I would be with my dad. And my dad and I always used to take walks. That's something we did a lot. Me and my dad had all these walkabouts all the time. And we'd always be walking. And my dad would come and get me and we'd walk most of the day and have a good time. We'd stop somewhere for lunch and we'd stop to meet some of his friends that he had along the way. And so I'd just be with my dad and we'd be just having the best day together doing, just nothing really. It's just me and my dad walking. That's what we'd be doing. And I always enjoyed that time. I always enjoyed that time with my dad when I got to do that. And it was so much fun to do it. And I need some more boxes, so I got my boxes out again. Now these boxes are kind of pinky. I kind of need some orange boxes, but I think all the boxes, but that one looks some of them look a little bit orange and some of them look a little bit pink. So I'm gonna have to choose one. I'm gonna have to choose some that look a little bit orange. Now that looks orange to me. So I'm gonna put that there. That looks orange. I think I used that one already. See if I can find another orange box. I think I want this box, but I'm gonna have to cut it in half, I think. Where my scissors at? You know how time, so I go where my scissors at, got my scissors. Think I'm gonna have to cut this one because I only want half of the box up there. Only want half of the box. So we'd walk and walk and walk and walk. And one of the places we'd always stop would be one of his best friend's house. And his best friend was a chef. And so when I would get there, he would go, "Oh, you brought the little girl with you this time?" And he would say, "Yep, brought my baby with me." And he would go, "Well, she's so skinny, I'm going to fix her something to eat because she's so skinny. Look at her." And true, I was very skinny when I was little, very skinny. I don't know what happened now, but I was a skinny little thing. Oh, I like how that looks. I know I need something here, though, but I don't. I want to put that there. That says busy day. Let's just put something there. I like how it's looking. I like how it's looking. I think, though, what could be missing in here is I need a pumpkin or two because we're getting into harvest time. So I think here, I think I might have a little mishmash going on here, but I like that harvest sticker with all the harvesty things with the leaves. I like that. And I don't know about the harvest there. I kind of would like in the corner, kind of here, kind of want to put a little chicken down there. Why? I don't know. But I want a chicken there. No, chicken's not doing what I need chicken to do. Oh, see, I should have just lightly put the chicken down and see if I really like the chicken before I try to get the chicken up. You know I do this every week. Now I'm going to have to find something to go back there because chicken just took up some of my space there. So chicken just took up some of my stuff there. So I'm going to have to figure out something else to put in that spot. So I think in that spot, I probably could add, let me see. Nope, succulent doesn't help me. Succulent doesn't help me. I'll have to come back to that and figure out what to put there. I might have to end up putting a box down there just cause I need something there. Just cause I messed up my spot. I think I need a box down there. Something to cover that up. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's my first page. This is my second page. I gotta hurry along here because I don't want to hold you too long. So my dad, his friend would go, "She's so skinny," and he would go in the kitchen and whip up the best Denver omelet I ever had with some potatoes. I had that every time I go over there because he knew I liked it. So he would whip up a nice omelet with some onions, some green peppers, and all of that good stuff would be in the omelet. So he would fix that for me and everything, and I'd be like, oh my goodness, because it was such good food. He'd throw, the omelet there, and inside the omelet, he'd have ham. So I don't know if my dad called him and said, "We're going to be stopping, me and my girl going to be stopping by," and he would always go, "She's so skinny, let me fix her something." And he'd always go in his kitchen and whip up that fine meal for me. And on the side, he'd always have a biscuit. He'd always have biscuits. And I never could figure out, how come he always got biscuits? Like, he always had biscuits. And I used to say that to my dad all the time. I used to go, "Hey, Dad, how come he always got biscuits?" My dad would go, "Some people just have biscuits in their house all the time. People love biscuits." And I go, "I know, but we come over there, and he always seems to have a biscuit." And he goes, I don't know. I don't know. And I get the biscuit, smother it with butter, you know, butter it up really good. And then grape preserves. Excuse that cough. But he'd have grape preserves. I'd smother that on there. I'd eat like 2 biscuits, the whole big omelet. And that's my memory of fall. My dad and I walking over to visit his friend with the biscuits and the omelets. Oh, all those biscuits was good. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness for those biscuits. Those biscuits were the most delicious biscuits ever. The most delicious biscuits ever. I don't think, and you know what? I don't even remember the old fellow's name. I don't even remember his name. That's the sad part about it. He was one of my dad's good buddies, but I can't remember his name right now. And he was just a wonderful friend. We'd stay there for about an hour or so, or more, depending on what my dad was up to that day. We'd stay there for an hour or so. My dad would visit, they'd talk and everything like that. And then my dad would have to go to the barber shop. And when he went to the barber shop, because I was a girl and it was a man's barber shop, they always put the chair outside, and I'd have to sit outside and wait for my dad to finish at the barber shop. I never got to actually be inside the barber shop. So, thank you for joining me and listening to my fall stories with my dad and the biscuits and the omelets in the barber shop. This is my spread for the week. I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my if you like my story, or if you like the spread. Just give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber here, press that subscribe button and subscribe. I'd be so glad to have you as part of my family. Also, thank you. And be the reason somebody smiles. Have a wonderful week, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye now.